Hi, hello. Next thermal topic is thermodynamic process. Okay. So thermodynamic process ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಂತ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗಳು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಮಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಮಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ನ ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಮೋಡೈನಮಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫೈಡ್ ಇಂಟು ಟೂ ಟೈಪ್ಸ್. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ flow process, another one is non-flow process. Before that, you know the definition of thermodynamic process. A successive path between the two states is called as the thermodynamic process. That means, for example, if you consider any PV diagram, so that will show pressure and volume diagram. So this is the first point, this is the second point. Okay, so the path, successive path in between two states is simply called as process. Okay, next flow process is called as open process. Sometimes non-flow process is called as closed process. So again, non-flow process are again classified into reversible process. So constant volume reversible process, another name is called as isochoric process. Constant pressure, another name is called as isobaric process. Constant temperature, another name is called as isothermal process. Adiabatic, sometimes called as isentropic, sometimes called as constant entropy. Three names for adiabatic process. Okay, so next another one is polytropic process, general, sometimes called as general process. Clear? So thermodynamic process are classified into based on the parameters of flow process and non-flow process. So non-flow process is again classified into reversible process and irreversible process. Under that reversible process, constant volume, constant pressure, constant temperature, adiabatic and polytropic. Clear? So next one, if non-flow process are irreversible process, all the non-flow process are non-flow process with reversible, non-flow process with irreversible. So this is irreversible process. The free expansion process and steady flow process is a simple throttling process. So I think so this is very important, throttling and free expansion process. So these two processes are irreversible process. So during throttling process, heat supplied is equal to 0. There is no heat transfer during throttling. So during throttling process, there is no work transfer, work done is equal to 0. So during throttling process, there is no internal energy. Internal energy is also is equal to 0. Okay, so the processes are classified based on this diagram. Okay, so pressure and volume diagram. If you draw this straight line, so like this, the volume will be constant. So it's called as isochoric process. Okay, if you draw the line like this, the pressure will be constant, then it is called as pressure constant process. Another name is called as isobaric process. So this diagram shows as isothermal process. Isothermal process means the temperature will be constant in this process. Okay, adiabatic process. So this is the adiabatic process. Entropy remains constant. So entropy is represented by S, you know. So S is equal to 0. Clear? Another last process is called as polytropic process. A polytropic process is constructed in between isothermal and adiabatic process. So this is called as a polytropic process. Here, polytropic process. In the pressure process, isobaric, pressure constant, isothermal, temperature constant, adiabatic, entropy is constant, constant volume will be constant. Clear? Okay. Next one, in constant pressure process, the value of adiabatic index n is equal to 0. So next, if a constant temperature process, the value of n is equal to 1. If a reversible adiabatic process, n is equal to gamma. For constant volume process, n is equal to infinity. Based on the value of n, the process can be varied. I think in this process, so general law of expansion is so PV to the power of n is equal to 0. So this is the general law of expansion and compression. Okay, suppose you have put the values in n. Suppose you put the values of PV to the power of 0. PV to the power of 0 is equal to constant is called as dash process, is called as constant pressure process. Same as it is a temperature. So PV to the power of, what is the value of n? To put n here. So then what is the process? This process is called as constant temperature process. Suppose PV to the power of gamma is equal to dash process. So the n value becomes gamma, then it is called as adiabatic process, reversible. So PV to the power of infinity. So put infinity here, then constant volume process. So these are all the different process. Okay, next, the column 1 representing work done, the column 2 representing process, column 3 representing PV diagram. The first one is isothermal. Isothermal means temperature constant. Clear? So in temperature constant, sorry, I think the iso adiabatic, I think this is wrong. This is wrong. Okay, so W from 1 to 2 is equal to minus N into R into T L V2 minus V1. So this is the isothermal process, actually constant temperature process. Temperature will be constant here. This is the constant temperature process. Clear? This process 1 divided by gamma minus 1 P2 V2 minus PV P1 V1. So this is the adiabatic process. So work done. This is a formula for calculating work done. Formula for calculating work done. Formula for calculating work done. So in isochoric process, W1 to 2 is equal to P into V2 into P into V1. So this is the isochoric. Another name of isochoric is constant volume process. So volume will be constant here. So but in isobaric, isobaric means, sorry, so isochoric and isobaric. So this is the constant pressure process. I'm sorry. So pressure will be constant here. So then work done becomes minus P into V2 plus P into V1. But in constant volume process, when volume will be constant, the work done will be 0. It's clear? Volume constant iddaga work done 0 ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು pressure constant ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೂ work done ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Adiabatic ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೂ work done ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Temperature constant ಇದ್ದಾಗಲೂ work done ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So when work done is 0 ಅಂತ objective questions ನಾನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, when constant volume, so in a constant volume process, the work done is 0. Clear? Next, note down this table which helps to this is the table consisting formulas for all the process. Isobaric process, isochoric process. Isobaric means constant pressure, isochoric means constant volume, isothermal means temperature constant. So this is adiabatic. So adiabatic and polytropic always nearer. So adiabatic is general law is called as a polytropic. Leave it. Next, write down formulas. So first very important formula is work done. So this is the work done formula. So work done for isobaric process, P into V2 minus V1. Work done for constant volume is 0. So work done for isothermal P1 V1 ln V2 by V1. Work done for adiabatic process P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma minus 1. So this is very important table. So next one, heat flow. So heat flow, second important row. So isobaric process, heat flow calculated by using m into CpT2 minus T1. Isochoric process, m into CvT2 minus T1. Isothermal process, P1 V1 into L1 V2 by V1. So adiabatic process, the work done is 0. So observe here, sorry, heat added is 0. Here column work done is 0. Work done is 0 in constant volume process. Volume will be constant. Work done is equal to 0. In adiabatic process, no heat is added, no heat is rejected, is called as adiabatic process. S. So in adiabatic process, heat is equal to heat supplied, Q is equal to 0. These two parameters are very important. Okay, so heat capacity in isobaric process, pressure is constant Cp. So isochoric process Cv, isothermal process it's an infinity. No heat is added, that means 0. Okay, so internal energy formula for, so very important. Third one, internal energy for isobaric, internal energy for isochoric. Internal energy is 0 in isothermal. So this is enthalpy is 0 in isothermal. Okay, so by using this chart, ಈ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ನೀವು ರೈಟ್ ಡೌನ್ ಸಮ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್. ಯಾವ್ದು 0 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬೈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಒಂದ್ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾದ್ರು, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಂಟ್ರೋಪಿ ಇದೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಗಳಿಗೆ, ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಪಿ ವಿ ಟಿ ರಿಲೇಷನ್, P1 is equal to P2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ, V1 is equal to V2 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. P1 is equal to P2 ಆದಾಗ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, V1 is equal to V2 ಆದಾಗ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆದಾಗ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಟ್ ಸಪ್ಲೈಡ್ is equal to 0 ಆದಾಗ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಟೇಬಲ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಸೊ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟೇಬಲ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ನೀವು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರ್ಕೋಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ವರ್ಕ್ ಡನ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಹೀಟ್ ಫ್ಲೋ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನಲ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿ, ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಥಾಲ್ಪಿ, ಫಿಫ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರೋಪಿ, ಸಿಕ್ಸ್ತ್ ಒನ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಇದು ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್, ಪ್ರೆಸರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಂಪರೇಚರ್ ಏನ್ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಇಷ್ಟು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ.